Scorpion News is a public forum for student expression. Students make all content decisions, and opinions do not necessarily represent those of the HUSD.
What's up, Scorpions? I'm Tanana Hall, your host, back from the episode of Scorpion News. Let's start off with our biggest announcement of the week. This Friday is our biggest basketball game against our rivals, Oak Hills. We're going to need our gym packed, and we are putting together a student section to bring in the energy and the chance. Also, we want our students to wear white due to our whiteout theme this week. Milton has more information on some of the chants to hype us up. Thanks, Milton. Don't forget to wear white and show up to the Friday game this week. It's our last home game. In honor of it being our last home game, Link will be giving away free liquid gold nachos at lunch to the first 200 students wearing black and gold or his spirit gear. So come to school wearing black and gold and get some free nachos. Another exciting event coming up is this every 15 minutes program this year. All interested seniors and juniors, be sure to come in to our informational meeting today in the library during lunch. While we're on that subject of getting involved on campus, juniors orientation is right around the corner. So we've created a new segment called Day in Life. The Day in Life is the purpose to highlight what our...
Hi, I'm JJ, and I'll be talking about my day in the life of digital design. So the main thing we do in digital design is use Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator to make original designs of our liking and incorporate them into physical objects. I had a free day, so I decided to catch up on some work I haven't finished. We had to do shirt designs for the Powder Puff football game, which had a central theme of Mario characters and colors split among the different classes. Freshmen had Yoshi, sophomores had Luigi, juniors have Mario, and seniors have Bowser. I finished all of them save Yoshi. Also, the B movie was on. My personal format was using 4 different images of characters, fading back in chronological order, so I just reused Bowser's design and set it up accordingly. I found a modern PNG of moderate size, saved it, and placed it in the middle. Rinse, repeat until I had it done. While I wasn't paying attention to my work, the mouse stopped working, the screen went black, and my computer crashed. And that was my day in the life of digital design. Back to you. Bye.
Great job, JJ. That class looks amazing. If any other teachers would like an elective club or class featured in Day in Life, send Mr. Bernal an email or something, or to get something arranged. Now let's take a break to show you guys the word of the week.
This week's word of the week is plagiarize. Plagiarize is to take the ideas or work of another and claim it as your own. Let's look at an example.
Wait, what? Whoa, wait, what? Hold on. Wait, officer, what did I do? What did I do? What I did that was so wrong, officer. You're going away for a long time, mister.
Don't plagiarize. It's illegal. And that's your word of the week, plagiarize.
Great job, James. Remember, everyone, don't copy the work of others. The consequences of plagiarism can be bad and very serious. The college level can offer and lead to expulsion. Be original with your thoughts and ideas. Let's move on to our last announcements. Tomorrow there will be a GSA meeting during lunch in room C2. Be there or be square. Also, if you're a junior or senior who is interested in becoming a dental assistant or pharmacy tech or cosmetologist, please be sure to visit the CCRC for more information about the program. It is that time that we start thinking about our future. Some of these classes we take can help us explore our passions and help us realize maybe that isn't our field. Seniors on the campus have a bit more experience with registrations, which is coming up in March. With that said, I have put together a segment called Senior Advice. Enjoy.
You tell them about Michael Brady. Chase the bag. Not who Michael Brady is.
What's up, Scorpions? I'm Tanaya Hall from Broadcasting, and today I will be asking a few seniors how their senior year is going so far. So today I'm here with
Star,
Lily,
Hannah,
Andy,
Andrew Cruz, Brian Macia,
Miles Massey, Anthony Johnson,
Jaden Everett,
Cecile Card,
and Aaliyah.
So how's y'all senior year going so far?
It's going well. I can't wait to be out of here, to be honest.
With these last few months coming up, Seniorize is slowly creeping in.
It's going good. Loving everybody.
Well, so far it's going great. My grades are good. Everything's going good.
Chilling. Getting rid of all the fake people in my life.
Got all my credits. I'm happy. Do y'all have any advice for the future seniors coming in next year?
Don't take AP classes your senior year. Just don't do it.
Focus on yourself. Let yourself grow as a person.
Join all the clubs. Go to all the activities.
Respect people. Do your work. Do everything you need. Go to college.
Don't procrastinate. Don't get senioritis because that will catch up on you, really bad.
Pay attention in class. Period.
The basketball games, the football games, this is your last year in high school. Get involved.
Go to school.
Go to school. Thank you.
Show up on time.
Thank y'all.
Don't procrastinate.
Okay.
Thanks everyone for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed our show. Catch our previous episodes on YouTube and other content on Instagram and Twitter. Until next time, I'm Tanaya and see you guys later. Hey guys.
Whoa. You thought we were done? So I heard some of you are looking for some excitement, competition, maybe a little trash talk? Don't worry, I got you. The Smash Tournament's been going on all week, and me and my team are starting today. And we're gonna stomp everyone on the bracket. Mainly because half of them don't even know how to recover on stage. But if you want to prove me wrong, or you want to see some destruction, Mr. Anderson's room, today, at lunch. I'll see you there.